So for the scalper, noticing the pattern is quite important. It's not only about the bookish pattern, it's also about how you decode the pattern which is being posed to you. So in the above picture, you can see that Bank Nifty was making a pattern where it was forming two green candles, large green candles, then taking a pause of one red candle, smaller one. See above there with the blue arrows, the first on the left side, and then again it made two consecutive green candles, and then I was just waiting that another formation of a small red candle would be there. But the candle in the second phase, the red one, was quite engulfing in nature, and then there is a breakdown of the pattern, and we as a scalper, we can enter into the trade, either we can sell the call here or we can buy the puts, and try to maneuver whatever thinking we can take out of this breaking of the pattern.